Today's video is about systemic lupus erythematosus, which is an autoimmune disorder which can attack a lot of different organs and body systems. And when it attacks the kidneys, it's called lupus nephritis. And that's what we're going to focus on here on our channel on Healthy Kidney Inc. on this video today. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And this piece of research is coming from the Frontiers in Immunology journal in July 2020. And the piece of research is titled Immunomodulatory Effects of Diet and Nutrients in SLE, a Systemic Review. So some of the information I'm giving you is from here. Most of it, I'm going to give you a little bit else from some other sources so that if you have lupus nephritis, a lot of really good natural things you can do, including diet and supplements. And you want to incorporate these because you want to give yourself the best chances of supporting and improving your kidney health and going into remission with whatever standard care you're doing. So let's get into it. If you have lupus nephritis, one thing they talked about was a lower calorie diet. So lower calorie diet means less things are going through the kidney, less things that are toxic for the kidney, less work that the kidney has to do, so a lower calorie diet. If you don't have to lose weight, if you're underweight or normal weight, then you probably don't want to do that. But if you're overweight, to any degree, a lower calorie diet will also help you lose that weight and help the kidney health. Another thing they mentioned was lowering protein intake. Now, this is nothing new when it comes to kidney diseases. In fact, it's a really big thing now with low to very low protein diets. Now, this all depends on where you're at. Let's say you're a big meat eater, okay, just starting to lower your protein content is going to be really beneficial, and switching over to plant-based proteins, vegetarian-based proteins is going to be much healthier and easier on the kidneys. And those plant-based proteins are like beans, nuts and seeds, whole grains. So you can incorporate those to get rid of your animal proteins, and you're going to be lowering the protein count generally and getting a much easier protein for the body and the kidneys to process. Vitamin D. So anybody with a kidney issue, and most people in general, should have their vitamin D tested. So with a lot of kidney disorders, including lupus nephritis, very high rate of vitamin D deficiency, which always makes your situation worse and makes everything worse about the lupus nephritis. Another really important thing that we talk about in Healthy Kidney Inc. is they cite omega-3s, okay? Omega-3s are super important, really good for supporting healthy inflammation response in the kidney and the body. We have a lot of videos on that. You want to make sure you use the correct omega-3, the right ratios and doses, so check our other videos. Another thing is vitamin E. Vitamin E is very important, strong antioxidant. And antioxidants help reverse cell damage. And when you have lupus nephritis, you have a lot of cell damage, a lot of kidney cell damage. So that can benefit you. We have extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, okay, which is shown to be the main oil you want to use for any kidney issues. And extra virgin olive oil is the preferred one because it has more antioxidants, polyphenols, all this good stuff for the body and kidney. You want to use that in your cooking, in salad dressings. You can drizzle it over any food. So however you can incorporate it in your diet. Last one is fiber. So fiber is also shown in lupus nephritis to help the gut health. And we know that a lot of kidney toxins, gut dysbiosis, which is an imbalance of all the bacteria, happens with kidney diseases and lupus nephritis. So by getting a lot of fiber in your diet through kidney-friendly fruits and vegetables and even supplemental form, you help the gut health, which then helps your kidney health. So that's why you want to incorporate a lot of fiber. With vitamin E, just to go back to that real quick, we're looking at about 800 IUs a day. That would be split 400 IUs twice a day. But with any of these recommendations, make sure to check with your healthcare practitioner, dietitian, nutritionist, whoever you're seeing, to make sure they're okay for your situation. But with lupus nephritis, like, you do have some of the conventional options with steroids, blood pressure control, but you definitely want to add in some of these natural options because if your kidneys they fail, there's no coming back from it. You know, you're gonna have to go to dialysis, and that's not something you want to do if you don't have to. You really want to do everything to prevent it. I've been on dialysis, so it's not the road you want to go to, but it's not the end of the world if you have to go there. But a lot of things that you can start doing for lupus nephritis. Check out our other videos, blogs, and to your best kidney health, everybody, best wishes. Bye.